Hey guys, just a quick question. Do you have the HS720E? And are you having a little bit of problem these days? Well, I noticed that I'm not getting GPS signal, guys. Here I am, big open field, big open skies, but I even did a calibration and I'm still getting no GPS. Let me go in the shade. Okay, as you can see, I don't know if you can focus there. No GPS signal. Everything's good there. Control, I got battery. But the GPS, I turn off the remote, turn it back on, switch the GPS on off. If I hit the little button, the fans spin. So I don't know. Anyone else having this issue with their HS720E? Please let me know. Would love to fly, but don't know what's going on, guys. I always forget this remote has a little pull-out things to hold it, then I'm holding it. So now, I'm going to turn this GPS on and off again, the switch on the side. I know this might be hard to focus with my old phone. So my GPS is off, I know. And I'll switch it back. Give it a minute. Nothing yet. See, cannot read GPS, cannot fly. Alright guys, so help me out. Or if anybody has the answer to this, I'm sure we all want to fly. Can't take my baby up on such a beautiful day. All this beautiful sky I got here. And I can't take her up. Beautiful day to fly. So, alright guys. Appreciate all the help and comments. Happy droning.